Hi, I am Jermaine Fatima A. Tamsi, your student in BS in Electrical Engineering in second year, Section A. So, nagkaroon po kami ng group work and ang naatas po sa amin ay linear differential equations. And ang nakaatas po sa akin sa grupo namin is discussing the concept of this topic. So, first, we need to define what is linear differential equations. A differential equation is said to be linear if its degree is 1 and if it does not contain a product term between the dependent variable y and its derivative. So, masasabi po natin na linear siya kapag yung degree niya po is 1 lang, wala po tayong ibang exponent, wala tayong ibang degree, and then yung dependent variable po natin na y or dependent variable na x, possible din po yun, ay hindi nagko-contain ng product term. So, ngayon po, meron po tayong standard form ng linear differential equation natin. So, ito po yung una, dy over dx plus p of x times y equals q of x, where p and q are functions of x alone. So, pangalawa naman po, ang dx over dy natin plus g of y times x equals h of y, where g and h are functions of y alone. So, sa number 1 po, ang dependent variable po natin ay y, and then, ang independent variable po natin ay x. Sa 2 naman po, ang dependent variable po natin ay x, ang independent variable po natin ay y. So, kapag nakakita po tayo ng ganito sa problem natin, or mayroon pong mga problem na may mga kasama ito, pero magagawan po natin ang paraan yun para maging ganito ang standard form natin, ma-identify po natin na linear differential equation na siya. So now, we will proceed. Pag na-identify na po natin na linear differential equation siya, makaka-proceed na po tayo sa general solution, which is y times e integral of p of x dx equals integral of q of x times e the integral of p of x dx plus c. So, may integrating factor po tayo. Ito po yun. So, e raised to negative of integral px dx. Ito po yun. So, sa pangalawa naman po, x times e integral of g of y dy, may negative po dy equals integral of h of y times e raised to the integral of gy dy plus c, where e times negative of integral g of y dy is our integrating factor. So yan, kapag nakita po natin ang standard form natin, pwede na po natin siyang ma-solve as a linear differential equation at ito po ang ating gagamiting general solution. So, yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, Jem. This is Catherine Joy S. Aldea, and now let us go through some examples of linear equations first order. So, ngayon meron tayong xy prime plus 4y equals 2x cubed. And let us first put this into standard form by dividing everything by x para wala ng preceding coefficient yung y prime. And that would give us y prime plus 4 over xy equals 2x squared. And now we have our standard form of y prime plus pxy equals qx, kung saan ang ating p of x ay ang 4 over x and ang qx natin ay ang 2x squared. With this, pwede natin mahanap ang ating integrating factor, which is e equals the integral of p of x dx. And we already have the value of p of x, which is 4 over x, and isa-substitute lang natin ito. And i-move natin sa front yung 4 since it is a constant, so that would give us e raised to the integral of 1 over x dx. And the integral of 1 over x is ln x. So now we have this answer. So our integrating factor would be x raised to 4. Now that we have the integrating factor, pwede natin solve ang general solution using this equation, which is y equals 1 over the integrating factor multiplied by the integral of the integrating factor q of x dx plus c. So, isa-substitute lang natin ang ating mga previous values, and that would give us 1 over x raised to 4 multiplied by the integral of x raised to 4. Our q of x is 2x squared dx plus c. I-move natin ang constant na 2 sa harap ng integral sign, and i-combine natin ang x raised to 4 and x squared. That would give us y equals 1 over x raised to 4 times 2 the integral of x raised to 6 dx plus c. And then we will integrate x raised to 6, which would give us 1 over x raised to 4 times 2 times x raised to 7 over 7 plus c. We have to simplify this and multiply everything by 1 over x raised to 4, and that would give us y equals 2x raised to 7 over 7x raised to 4 plus c over x raised to 4. And we have our final answer, or the general solution, which is 2 over 7 x raised to 3 plus c over x raised to 4. And this is a general equation, or solution rather, of x y prime plus 4y equals 2x cubed. And now let us move on to our next example, which we have the given quantity of 4y minus 3x dx plus 5x dy equals 0. So we need to have a y prime here, so we have to divide everything by dx, since y prime is also equal to dy over dx. So we simplify this, and that would give us 5x y prime plus 4y equals 3x. And now, para magawa natin siya into standard form, kailangan natin siya i-divide by 5x para wala na preceding coefficient yung y prime, or 1 na lang siya. And that would give us y prime plus 4 over 5x y equals 3 over 5. So our 4 over 5x is our p of x, and our 3/5 is our q of x. So to find the integrating factor, we have to use the same formula as earlier, and that would give us e raised to the integral of p of x dx. So, isa-substitute natin ang b of x, which is 4 over 5x dx. And ilalabas din natin yung constant, which is 4 over 5. And the integral of 1 over x is equal to ln x. And that would give us 4 over 5 ln x. And to simplify this, we finally have x raised to 4 over 5. And that would be our integrating factor. Now that we have the values needed, pwede na tayo mag-proceed para gawin siyang general solution. And isa-substitute natin siya sa ating previous formula also, so that would give us this equation. Now we have to simplify this and move 3 over 5 sa before ng integral sign, and that would give us 3 over 5 the integral of x raised to 4/5 dx plus c. So now we integrate x raised to 4/5 and then simplify, and the integral of x of 4/5 is equal to x raised to 9 over 5 all over 9 over 5 plus c. So magka-cancel natin ang 3/5 and 9/5, and simplifying it would give us x raised to 9 over 5 over 3x raised to 4/5 plus c over x raised to 4/5. And for our final simplification, we have y equals 1/3 x plus cx raised to negative 4/5. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our general solution. And that would be all. Thank you very much.